Welcome to Email Center, your tool for easy, professional email marketing. As a Total Truck Centers member, you can send branded emails without needing a designer, writer, or outside agency. Whether you want to share monthly promotions or keep your shop top of mind, Email Center makes it simple. And you don't have to start from scratch. Just log in, pick a ready-to-go template, add your logo, and hit send. You can easily build your customer list by adding individual emails or uploading your contacts in bulk. Want to know what's working? Email Center tracks opens and clicks so you can see what your customers care about. So use this tool and send emails to up to 1,000 contacts for only $9.99 a month. And if you're utilizing our Aftermarket Websites Pro platform, you can start emailing today at no extra cost. Getting started is quick and easy. Just log into your Total Truck Centers account, go to Marketing Tools, and click on Email Center. Email Center, simple, effective, and built for your business. Total Truck Centers, empowering your success, one tool at a time.